Good morning, everybody. It is 6:40 in the morning. Yes, I am high on life right now. We are currently at Walgreens and I am excited to share with you guys some deals. Now, IBOTTA. It only says you can't use a coupon at Walmart for IBOTTA deals. It does not say anything about you can't use a coupon with the IBOTTA deals at Walgreens. It only says Walmart in the Walgreens categories. So we got that going on for us. But we're gonna go inside, have some deals. It's gonna be a slow month. I'm gonna tell you guys that it is gonna be a slow month, but for me, I'm gonna try to show you guys as many deals as possible. I have a Catalina for spend 40, get $9 cash rewards. I ended up getting some medication yesterday and I got that, and I'm definitely gonna do this diaper deal because my daughter loves wearing these pull-ups. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that deal. But other than that, let's go inside and have some fun shopping. So here we have the pull-ups, nighttime pull-ups, and then we also have the frozen, the new leaf ones. So these are currently 2 for $21. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get 2 of the new leaves and you're gonna get 1 of the nightimes. We currently have some insert coupons if you guys have those, or we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, and then we also have a $2 off digital coupon. So you're going to use $6 worth of digital coupons. You'll end up paying $25.50. Now this is a deal where you do not pay with Walgreens cash, but you'll pay $25.50. But you will end up getting $3 back with IBOTTA with a limited 2, so you'll get $6 back with IBOTTA with the new leaf. There is no IBOTTA deal for the nighttime ones, but there is a one for this one. Then you get 1,500 points with Fetch Rewards, which is $1.50 for the new leaf, and then you also get $1.50 back with the nighttime ones. And then when you spend 30, you get a $10 register reward, making these just $6.50 or $2.16 each. If you guys need a package of baby wipes, we have the Huggies right here for $3.99. There's currently a $2 off digital coupon that you can use, making them just $1.99. If you guys like some love corn, these are 2 for $3, always are 2 for $3. You'd pay $3 for it, but there is an IBOTTA deal for 50 cents back with a limit of 5. So you'll end up just getting these for $2 or $1 each. Here we have the Starburst. They're actually on sale for $1, you guys. $1, you would pay $1, but there is a 25-cent IBOTTA rebate where you guys will get that. You can scan whatever item you want to get the 25-cent rebate, making these just 75 cents. Welcome. The deal of the week, you guys, is the Reese's candy. These are $2.49 each, but we currently have $1 off of 2 digital coupon. Make sure you guys are getting the same flavor. I can actually say flavor to have that digital come off. So you'll end up just getting them for $3.98. That's $1.99 each. So here we have the crunchy M&M's cookie for $1 on sale this week, but if you currently look in your Fetch Rewards app, there is a 50% back, making these just 50 cents. So here we have the Carmex Weather Guard for $2.99, and there's currently a 75-cent off digital coupon in the Walgreens app. You will end up paying just $2.24, but then there is an IBOTTA deal. Sorry, you guys, there is an IBOTTA deal for 75 cents back also, making this price just $1.49. So this is if you got some really cold weather. It's perfect for skiing or snowboarding or sledding, but $1.49. So here we have the Tide Simply, the liquid 4 for $9, along with the pods 4 for $9. And then we have some of the Downy 4 for $9, and I think there's one more thing, but I am not seeing it. But we currently have 2 different digital coupons. I have a 50-cent off for the pods and a 50-cent for the liquid. So you guys can use that. You'll end up getting all 4 items for just $8 or $2 each. So here we have the Purex crystals on sale for $3.49. Now when I scanned the Fresh Vibes, no digital popped up, but when I scanned the Fabulously Fresh, it did pop up. But when you go to the actual coupon, the product does pop up. So it just depends on what you want to do. So there's two different scenarios. If you guys want to do both, you can actually do both deals. But $3.49. Now we currently have a $1.25 digital coupon in the Walgreens app. So you guys will end up using that. You'll pay $1 or you'll pay $2.24. But there is a $1 insert coupon. So you either will pay $2.24 or you will pay $2.49, however you want to do this deal. But there is an IBOTTA deal that does end soon. It is a limit of 5, but you would end up getting these for either $1.24 or $1.49, which is still a great deal. If you want the regular Purex, these are $3.49, and then we have that $1 off insert coupon, making these just $2.49. So here we have the Palmolive dish soap for $2.49. There's currently a $1 off digital coupon, making this just $1.49. So here we have the Fabuloso for $2.49 along with the Suavitel. We currently have a $1 digital coupon. It's for either one or the other, but you'd use that $1 off coupon, making them just $1.49. So here we have the Method cleaning products. What you want to look at is the bamboo, the grapefruit, or the eucalyptus mint. But these are $4.29. You'd end up paying $8.58 for 2. But there is a 500-point swag buck deal on Swagbucks, which is $5 back. Now, there was a deal on Checkout 51, but it is gone. The deal is over with that, so otherwise that would have been an even better deal. But you would end up getting 2 bottles for $3.58, or just $1.79 each. The cashews are on sale again this week for $2.99. I highly recommend getting some of the nuts, or these are 2 for $5 if you guys want to, especially for like holiday deals or anything like that, but get them while they're hot. So here we have these Dove bars. Look at those for $2.79, or they're $2.50 if you buy 2 of them. But right here there is a deal where you get 100% back when you purchase the one, making it, you'll pay $2.79, but you get $2.79 back, making them absolutely free. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, let's go through Walgreens, you guys. Walgreens, yeah. It's a slow week. I'm going to try to tell you guys that. It is a slow week. Now, here's the thing. I wanted to do like the Icy Hot Aspirin Cream deal, but here's the thing that I truly, truly hate. The Walgreens booklet. The Walgreens booklet is no longer available, but the digital is. But the digital does not reset. It is available one time, and that is it. So it sucks that you can't repeat the deals, and I think that's probably the reason why they're doing it. A couple of you guys told me that the stores are trying to have a permanent booklet in the store so the cashiers can use it. So let's cross our fingers and hope that happens. And then you guys were talking about in my live the other day, which I was surprised I haven't done a live in over a year and a half. I know it's crazy, but you guys were saying that you can use the Flip app. Now the Flip app, I will be making a video. I think I talk about it tomorrow's video. It's an app that shows ads. I usually download it around Christmas time because then I get to see all the Black Friday deals and stuff. But they have the IVC book in there, and if your store lets you scan your phone, you could try to do it. It's a hit or miss, but we will see what happens. So I was at the checkouts, you guys. Look what I found. Look what I found. All of a sudden I see a piece of paper that says like Hocus Pocus 2 poster. And I'm like, what the heck is a Hocus Pocus 2 poster? She's like, oh, we're supposed to, you know, see if people want these. And I'm like, oh, I want one. So basically it is a Hocus Pocus 2 poster with my favorite store that I love shopping at, Walgreens. Why not? So these are free. So if your store has them, get one, you guys, if you want one. It's up to you. But hey, definitely watch the movie. I watched the movie with open arms, expecting it not to be the greatest, but it was actually pretty good. I'm not going to spoil it, but you got to come into mind to let you guys know that it is a sequel. It's also, you know, not as good as the original, but I did like it. So definitely watch it. So you're like, Jennifer, just shut up. Let's do the deals already. Okay, well, a lot of you saw the deals I already did. So I ended up doing the pull-ups deal. My daughter is going to see the, like yesterday she saw me cutting the coupons out. And she's like, Frozen! And she was like beyond excited, you guys. Like, she is so excited that I'm getting Frozen pull-up diapers for her. So I ended up getting two of the New Leaf diapers for her. These were 2 for $21. And then I got one of the night times. The only thing that makes me bad about the night times is it's only available in one size, and they're the boys'. But that's okay. She'll still wear them. She'll still wear them because it's Buzz Lightyear. I don't know if Woody's on it, but just Buzz Lightyear. So these are 2 for $21. You want to buy 3 of them. You want to use, there is either a $4 off of 2, and then there is a $2 off digital coupon, or you can use 3 $2 off coupons. Now, you will end up paying $25.50 for 3 of these. I know, but do not pay with points, you guys, pay with it. But there is an IBOTTA deal where you get $2 back with these. So you get $2 back and $2 back. Or, sorry, you guys, not $2 back. You get $3 back. So you get $6 back with IBOTTA. And then there's a Fetch Rewards deal where you get 1,500 points with Fetch Rewards when you buy one of these. And you also get 1,500 points when you buy one of these. And you get a $10 register reward when you purchase $30 or more. So it ends up becoming $6.50 or $2.16 for a pack of pull-ups. I will take it. I will take it. I will take it. You can't go wrong with that. So my daughter is like beyond excited that I got her some pull-ups. We're still trying to potty train her, but she loves wearing those pull-ups, so that is okay. So I got those. I did have a spend 40 get $9 in rewards, so that's what I used for that. Now if you guys are an employee or you get an employee discount, do not use your discount for these. I did not. I actually did majority of my haul without the employee discount, but do not use your employee discount. It will not work out in your favor. So here's some great deals. We got the Dove bars. This is a large promises. These sound so good right now. I'm putting these in my purse and I'm bringing these with me when we go to Chicago later today. But anyways, these were $2.79. You would pay $2.79 for it, but then there is a Fetch Rewards rebate for 100 points, 100% cash back, making this absolutely for free. I ended up getting these Starbursts. These were $1. There is a 25-cent IBOTTA rebate, making these just 75 cents. And then we also have the M&M's Crispies. These were on sale for $1, and I get 50% back with Fetch Rewards. I don't know if I've tried these yet. I don't know, but I'm trying them later today. But these come out to be just 50 cents after the Fetch Rewards. So that was a great deal. Now I also did the Palmolive soap. These were $2.49. You want to use that $1 off digital coupon, making these just $1.49. Here's a good tip if you guys haven't watched my videos already. Before you put this item in your cart, make sure it's tight, because I've lost soap and I've seen stuff leak all over the floor because this isn't tight. So $1.49, pretty great deal. Now this deal will end soon, I have a feeling, because this has been going on for a couple weeks. So we ended up getting the Purex crystals. Now these are $3.49. There is a $1.25 off digital coupon. When I scanned this one, the $1.25 popped up. It did not pop up for this one, but I don't know if it'll work for this one anyways. But $3.49, you use that $1.25 digital coupon, or there is a $1 off digital or insert coupon that we got in today's inserts. You would either pay $2.49 or $2.24. But then there's an IBOTTA rebate, making it $1 or $1 back with IBOTTA. It is a limit of 5. Making these just $1.49 or $1.24. However you guys want to do this deal, I think that is a great deal. If you want to go ahead and stock up on those. Yes, okay. The last deal I did was the Tide deal. I ended up getting 3 of the liquids. These were 2 for $9, or 4 for $9. I had a 50 cent off digital for this one and a 50 cent off digital for this one, but I bought 3 of the liquids. you would just get all 4 of them for just $8. That's $2 a piece, which is a pretty decent deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. I was gonna do the method deal, and then I'm like, no, I don't want to. Swagbucks has been kind of wonky with me, so I just passed on it. I was gonna do the Sally Hansen deal. There is a great deal. They're like, but one showed that it was $6.99, and another one showed it was $5.99. It was spend $12, get $3 back, and then there is a $1 rebate with IBOTTA, so you could have done that. But you guys, that is how much I have on my list. Like, that's how bad Walgreens is this week. It's bad, but I'm pretty excited for the diaper deal. That's all I care about, and my free chocolate. So my total came to $42.35. I ended up getting $14.47 back with points. I ended up having that $9 cash rewards for that, and then it looks like I got $5 back. I don't know if that was because of the spend 20 get 5 for a thing I had clipped. It could have been for both of those, but I got $14.47 back. I did receive that $10 register reward for the diaper deal. IBOTTA, I received $8.25. I got $6 back with the pull-ups, $2 back with the Purex, and then 25 cents back with the Starburst. I need a Starbucks. I don't drink coffee though. But anyways, and then Fetch Rewards, I received 6,374 points, which is $6.37 I got back with Fetch Rewards, making my grand total $3.26 for 14 items. I got everything at 23 cents each. So yeah. So if you guys didn't know this, Fetch Rewards is in my area. Right like a month before everything shut down for COVID, I actually went on a tour for Fetch Rewards, and I got to go like tour the place and everything. Well, that building that they were in got condemned. They ended up having to shut the building down for like a month or two because it got so bad that the building was gonna fall down. So now they like kicked everybody out of it, and I found out that Fetch Rewards is in a new location. It's actually about 3 miles up the road from where I'm at, and I was gonna contact them and see if I could do a new tour with them. If you guys are interested in Fetch Rewards, definitely recommend Fetch. My mom loves Fetch. She like loves Fetch more than IBOTTA. My father-in-law just joined Fetch. He likes it. So just saying, Fetch is easy for anybody to use. But if you guys are interested in maybe getting a tour, I was thinking of contacting them again and seeing if I can just get like a tour, maybe meet the guy. I didn't get to meet him last time, but I met his dog who developed Fetch Rewards. But if you guys are interested in something like that, please let me know. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Hopefully next week is a better week, and I will see you guys later. Again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you guys later. Bye-bye.